So again, we're looking at relations and functions, keeping in mind that all sets of data have some kind of relationship between them. Functions are a specific type of relation in which the domain is not repeated. So in the set of data we're going to look at, we've got an environmental study. Joe was there. He collected data on how many species of birds he could hear or see in a 1 hour period for 24 hours. Alice also collected data, but she collected data on the temperature at the end of each hour. What they did is they plotted their data, as we can see here. So Joe's graph, Joe, his first time he heard almost 25 birds. There's a few times where he heard less than 5. He had a couple of peaks where he heard lots, and a few times where he didn't hear many. Alice, the temperature, does what we would assume it would do, start off relatively low, go up throughout the day, and then go again low at night. So does each graph represent a relation? Yes. All graphs represent a relation. Does each graph represent a function? This is slightly more difficult to tell based on the graph. If we had the table in front of us, we could tell very easily. But there are methods for telling whether or not graphs are functions. We'll get into those in a little bit. But yes, both of those graphs represent functions. Which of those graphs should have the data points connected? Well, we need to ask ourselves with Joe's graph, could he have seen 20.6 birds? No, he couldn't. So there is a distinct gap between the items that Joe could see, so we would not connect the points on Joe's graph. Alice's graph, could we have a temperature of 17.2? Absolutely we could. Why are Alice's points not connected? Because she only took the temperature at the end of each hour. If she had taken the temperature more often, it would have gotten the points closer together and we could have connected them. Long story short, we could have had temperatures in between the measurements. So, which one should be connected? Alice and a good justification. Temperatures exist between the ones that she measured.